channel.
Hi everyone.
So we have a special guest. You guys have seen her already on my channel severally, but today we're doing like a different video. I wanted to do like a makeup haul, but I was like, how would you do a makeup haul that is not like the regular makeup hauls? So, and she's at home, I decided to feature her into my video. And today what we're going to be, okay, tell them what we'll be doing today.
Okay, so today we're going to be reviewing some of the products we got and that was gifted to us during the makeup trade fair that happened like
2 weeks.
2 weeks back.
2 weeks back.
Yeah.
So these are all the items. So these are all the items, most of it actually. So we'll just be basically be talking through them. So let's start off with the items that I bought with my money. So let's start off with this one. This is the Mismetic what is it called?
Water.
Yeah, Mismetic Micellar Water. I've used this. I used it on the mousse that I did demo on the makeup fair at the makeup fair, and it was really nice. So I tried it again today, and tell them what did I say?
It was actually very nice, and like it cleansed the dirt in your skin and also leave your skin moisturized.
Exactly. So it didn't dry out my skin, it moisturized my skin, and my skin felt like refreshed after using it. So it says Mismetic Micellar Water. Let me just show you. Micellar water.
Micellar water.
Cleanse, hydrate, refresh. So this is the 250 ml, and I got this for 3,000 naira, I think. Right?
Yeah, 3,000.
Yes. So ingredient says, okay, these names are really serious names. So usage: put the micellar water on a cotton pad. Gently wipe the skin to remove the stubborn makeup. Attention: please close your eyes while using. If it comes in contact with your eyes, rinse immediately with clean water. Keep out of reach of children. Avoid safekeeping in hot, humid, cold, or direct sunshine areas. Okay, so you heard it. It's really nice. And one thing I really like about this one, I think I've thrown the other one that I had away. That one, I won't mention the name of the brand. Like, even if you put it like this, it's going to spill. Like, any way you put it, can you see? Like, I'm shaking it, nothing is pouring. That one, I used it like just 4 times. The remaining times is spilled. Like, it was just spilling at different times. But yeah, this one, and I felt that one was too moisturizing. Like, if you use it on your face, like
too oily.
It's too oily. Not oily per se, but like too, like I will have to rinse my face after using it. Do you get? But this one, when I used it didn't feel that way. Do you get? So one thing I also like is that it has like a cap. So this is what protects it from spilling. So what you basically do is you open it like this to use, and when you don't want to use it anymore, you just
close it back.
You close it back, and then it doesn't spill. Okay, yes. So this one I have. If you haven't watched my review, my makeup haul and favorites for October, click the card here. I reviewed this moisturizer and I told you how great it was. I was even telling her why I was using it, that it was really nice. And how much did we buy this one?
2K.
I think it was more than I think
2.5.
This one, this micellar water was what we bought.
2,000. Then this one 3,000.
3,000. Yeah. So this is 3,000, but it's very good. I have one that I normally use. You put it here already. So this is it. This is the one I currently use. It's really nice.
Let me help you. Let me show you how to use it.
So I got a new one, which is really nice.
Open the cap, then squeeze out bits, then apply here. And your hand must be clean, because my hand may not be clean, but your hand has to be clean. I use a clean brush, then rub it.
Just apply it. One thing I really like about it is that it's really moisturizing. Yeah, it doesn't have any foul smell. And once you apply it, you immediately see like your skin feel like really moisturized. So that's that. I got this one. I think I'm definitely going to get more, just so I don't run out of stock. And you know how Nigerians can be. The first batch they do original one, the next batch is they just be doing rubbish. So yeah. That's what I got. Next I got
Can you see my face?
where's the Zaron
Mascara. This mascara is a babe. Let me tell you about it. You know, like there are sometimes that me, because most times I usually fix my nails, so applying mascara is going to be like kind of like hard for me. Do you get? And I may either stain some part of my face after applying the makeup. But once I got this Zaron mascara, see it, look at it, very okay. And this is
it's shade.
yeah. You see, this mascara is very very good, and like if you apply like a layer, you wait for it to dry, you apply another layer, it extends your lashes, like it makes your natural lashes to be fuller and longer. Do you get what I'm saying? And if you now want it to come out more, you can apply powder on it after the first and second layer, then apply the third layer on it, then your lashes is going to come out really long and full. You can see if you actually fixed lashes, but you didn't fix it, just your natural lashes.
Exactly. So I had one before. I really loved it, so I decided to get one. It wasn't really on sale per se. How much did you buy this one?
2 8. Just two. You know, things that are very good are actually very expensive. So
But
just close your eyes and get it. So you didn't put it
okay, so that does it. That's one. Next, yeah, let's talk about this soap pro. There's something on my mind that I need to talk about. This soap pro thingy. So let's start with the pro. I like that the cover is very strong to a fault. So sometimes you have to pull. Like you can see bite marks already on it, and that's because for the better half of the purchase of this stuff, I had to be using my teeth remove remove it because it was so hard. So but now I think because I've been biting it, it's a little bit more flexible. Another pro I like is that it has a tip. This is the tip. It has so this tip, so it's very easy for you to use, unlike the other one that you have to use a brush end to apply. So or classic glue has, which is my favorite lash glue, has a brush inside where you can use where you can use to apply the stuff. However, this stuff, I feel the con is if you're using this, you definitely need to use an eyeliner. Like when I fixed my lashes, like if you look closely, you'd see that I had to use liner. That was because the blackness of this stuff, when you apply it, it doesn't you have to apply it immediately you apply the glue on it, because it's it dries really fast. So if you leave it to get tacky, it doesn't get tacky, it will dry. So you need to put it on your lashes immediately you apply it. And when you're putting it on your lashes, because it's still very wet, it's going to be transparent. So you have to be extremely careful, which is a lot stressful for me if you ask me. And another thing I want to also mention, that this stuff, I really don't see the difference between this and regular lash glue. It smells exactly the same. I think they just innovated it and made it look prettier, but if you ask me, it's literally the same thing. The same thing. So just packaging. Everything in Nigeria is packaging. Once you can package anything, you can sell it at a good price. Imagine buying this. I bought this 2,000 naira. How much is bonding glue?
Like, I don't think it's
150. It's 150. The small one that is bigger than this one is 150. So you can imagine. So
now because of recession, they won't sell 200.
Yeah, and
so they just added the extra zero at the back, 2,000.
The big one that is not even up to the size of the small bonding glue is 3,000 naira. They didn't even write the ingredients that is made of. So, but I can tell you for a fact that this is exactly the same. So I don't regret buying it, but I just feel it was a waste of money. Okay, so now let's talk about stuff that we were gifted. This is Makela inspired, Makela and Rios inspired palette. That's what I have on my eyes, by the way, just so you guys can see. That's what I have on my eyes. It has a bunch of neutral colors and colorful shimmery colors. Yeah, show them. Yeah. So the shimmy colors are really nice, but the matte colors, I'm not quite sure. I'm not really sure about the matte colors. The shimmy colors are bomb. The matte colors, I don't know. They just look. It has like a white cast all over. So when you look at it, you might think it's not pigmented. But yeah, it depends. Once you have a good primer, that should work. That should solve the problem. Yeah. So that's that. So I was given the honors to feature in Ewarunke's lash line. So this is the lash style that she named after me, Maryann. So those of you who don't know, okay, my name is Maryann on YouTube, but on Instagram I am May Beauty Pro. So a lot of people don't know that.
Oh, maybe on. That's right.
Yeah, it's showing, showing. So can you see how pretty the style is? I haven't tried it, to be honest. I feel you have to, like, maybe I'll film a video where I have, like, I use all the styles, this one, and the two-in-one lash that I got, and just show you guys. It's lifting. Leave it. I'm tired. So I'll just show you guys how it can be used and what's not. So, but yeah, it's really pretty. I think she has shown you how it looks like. Okay, so what I have on is the single lashes, the Big Babe collection. This particular style that I have on is called Seductress, and it's really pretty, flattery um lash style. It's very long but very scanty. If you look at it from afar, you might not tell that you won't be able to tell it's a, like, it's a 50 mm, like it's a long lash, because it's like, because of the way they did it, it's very pretty. I really like it. So yeah, kudos
To everyone can.
to our room care. Next we have the 5-in-1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. So this is the 5-in-1 lash. This is in the style Winkle, and you can see how pretty it is. It feels like the one that I fell in love with. There's this particular lash that I wear all the time because it's so nice. It's simple, it's long, but also simple. Because it's scanty, you won't be able to tell that it's very long. So this one is almost the same, only that this particular one is too long. But I'll try it out, as I said, make a video so you guys can see all the styles and make a proper selection when you want to purchase from her. Okay, so
Global lashes.
let's talk about this one.
Well, this is Everyone Care Highlight Glow Mist Spray. Comes in candy. Well, basically,
You don't like it?
okay. Well, the thing is, the spray actually, it's really good, but to me, I don't like the smell because the smell is kind of like off, like a medicine. But if we're going to like ignore the smell, it's actually very nice. So all you just need to do is just apply a little. To me, I used to apply it on my palm, then I'll apply it on my face.
Yeah, I didn't know that. So I used to apply it after my this thing or before.
No, if you apply it, it's going to be too much. So I apply it before I apply my foundation.
I actually agree with her. It has a medicine kind of smell.
Can you see? So you just take it, then you apply it on your face.
Wow.
Can you see?
Wow, 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 wow.
Can you
wow,
see
wow,
my face?
Okay. So yeah, I think I've already, like my last video, I also mentioned the same thing. So next we have this one. This is the new primer water with cucumber extract. I used this today and I must confess it's really nice. The way it melted my makeup. But if you're going for a full a matte look, I would not advise this because it literally melts your makeup and makes it a lot dewy. So you can see my face. You can see my face. Have to be you have to make the hard choice. So if you're going for a matte look, definitely don't use this. Just use the 24K one, which I usually use. It's in the drawer. But if you're going for a dewy look, then definitely go for this. You can also use this as a primer because it's a primer water prep, prime and set. So you prime, use it and allow it to set for a little bit before going in with your foundation routine. Okay, next we've got the, I think the smell here is better.
Okay, I think when you apply it directly, the smell becomes calm, but when you apply it from afar. Okay.
So then this one.
See, this is lovely. See my hand. Can you see
the Glover? It's nice now. So this one is the bottom lashes. I think she has it in 2-3 styles, I think. So this is the one I have on. I'm not really a big fan of strip bottom lashes, but I think this one, my last experience with one was horrible, but I think this one is okay. You can judge for yourself, but
yeah,
I think
I really like it.
Yeah, but it keeps falling off. You just need to use a very good lash glue. Another tip I want to give you guys, if you're using a strip lash bottom lashes, is to make sure to line your, so when you fix it, you want to use make sure you fix it very well with a very good lash glue, and then use a black pencil, not fake black pencil, like a black pencil, a gel liner, and just line above where the lash band joins with your skin, so that line, that white line doesn't show. Do you get? So yeah, that's that with this one. So this is the 2-in-1. This is in Anike. So I actually haven't opened it, but I think this style here is like the winkle style, and then the other one is just well,
yeah, this is the winkle style.
This one.
This one is like this one.
And that's what I said. Now this one is wrinkle.
Then this one is like Maryann.
No, that's not Maryann.
It's Maryann.
It's not. Can't you see that this thing is thicker than this one?
Okay, but it's close to Maryann.
But yeah, so that's basically it. That's basically it. We've covered literally everything. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Until my next video, which will be very soon, by the way. I'll see you guys later. Happy Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance.
Merry Christmas. I wish you Merry Christmas.